Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming Python and pip are installed, then install the keyboard library if you need global key events. Once done, run your terminal as administrator or root so the library can capture system keys. Next, import keyboard and write a minimal handler function to print key names. Make sure to test with a simple keyboard. Wait, esc, or keyboard. Read event to observe raw events, because seeing output proves permissions and installation succeeded before building features. Now implement event callbacks to capture keystrokes and translate them into actions. You'll use keyboard on press and on release to update a press keys set, which prevents duplicate processing. This is important for held keys and modifiers. Then register hotkeys with keyboard. Add hotkey for combos like Control plus Shift plus S, and map events to functions that perform actions or inject text via keyboard. Right, make sure to test modifiers and race conditions by simulating rapid press. To finish, wrap your listeners in a try/finally so you unregister hooks and restore system state on exit. This prevents lingering listeners. Then add robust exception handling for permission errors and conflicts with other programs. Log issues and provide user prompts when elevated access is needed. Finally, test the script across target platforms, and if you see inconsistent behavior, switch to or compare with Pinput for better cross-platform support. If keys aren't captured, check permissions, antivirus interference, and run as admin to resolve most problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.